We're going to review finding the equation of a line if you're given 2 points. There are 4 steps to finding the equation if you're given the 2 points. First, remember that in order to write the equation, you must know the m and you must know the b. So the first thing we're going to do is find m, which remember, m is the slope, and the way we find the slope is to do y minus y over x minus x. So that's the first step. Then we're going to take the m that we just found out, we're going to fill in the m, and then we need to fill in the x and the y into the equation y equals mx plus b. And I'm sure you can see where we get the m. We get the x and the y from the points we were given. So you actually have 2 points to choose from. Now what we're going to do is solve the equation for b. And remember, the 2 things that we have to do in order to write an equation in standard form is we have to find the m and we have to find the b. And once we do that, then step 4 is to write the equation. And when we write the equation, we're going to fill in the answers that we got for the m and the b. Alright, so let's try one. Let's say we were given the points 3, 1, and -1, -7. Alright, we want to write the equation of the line that goes through those 2 points. In order to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form, we have to figure out the m and we have to figure out the b. Well, we can figure out the m, which is the slope, by doing y minus y over x minus x. So I'm going to do 1 minus -7, and that answer is 8. And then I'm going to do 3 minus -1, and that answer is 4. And I can reduce that to be 2 over 1, or 2. So now I know that the m is 2. So we're halfway there. Next thing we have to do is figure out what b is. To do that, I'm going to use the information I already know. I've been given an xy right there, and I've been given another xy right there, and I just figured out what the m is. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take the equation y equals mx plus b and fill in what I know. Out of these 2 points, I like this one better. The numbers are positive. So the 1 is going to go in the y spot. The m is 2. The x is 3. And we're trying to figure out the b. So now step 3 said to solve for b. So if I just finish this problem, 2 times 3 is 6. I subtract 6 from both sides. Over here that cancels, and I get that b equals -5. So now that I know that m is 2 and b is -5, the last thing I need to do is write the equation, which is 2x minus 5. And I got that by filling in the m and the b into the equation y equals mx plus b.